Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Land Rover Discovery Sport on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see that we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space. It's a 7-seat vehicle, so the rear 2 seats are currently folded down, of course. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car, especially for a vehicle of its age as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. We have a digital readout for the speedometer there as well. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within that, the coolant temperature gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. There are 73,136. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls, phone controls, our cruise control, speed limiter, and a heated steering wheel here as well. The minus and plus pedals are so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the centre, we then have the main screen for the car. So we're on the home screen at the moment, which is where you can access the main features. For example, your satellite navigation. Really nice, clear, wide colour display, very easy system to use. Our media options for the car. And you can see up here we can access our radio. Once you've paired up your phone, you'll be able to stream your music wirelessly via DAB radio. And you can see radio-wise we have DAB, FM and AM radio all available. Whilst on the subject of phone, that is where you pair your phone up. You can swipe across for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. And of course, all of the options that come along with having those two things in the car. You can also, down here, you can pair your Bluetooth. We have our audio, our telephone and sat-nav, so you can access those things there or from this home screen, whichever is the easiest. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you can see the full colour reversing camera. Below that, we then have our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can adjust the fan speed. You can push that back in to turn that off. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off, on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain those temperatures. You can override that manually by making any adjustment to either the fan speed or the direction that the air is being distributed in. With a heated rear screen and a proper heated front screen. Down the bottom here, we can turn off our downhill brake control. We can turn off our traction control. We can turn on and off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows. We have underneath here a USB charging port. Plenty of storage as well, and the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a button that will open that sunblind all the way to the back of the rear seat. The glass section itself is fixed in position, but as you can see with that fully open, it lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.